Welcome back. Let's check in on that first alert weather with the Chiefs. What are we seeing out there, Scott? Because I feel like the last time we talked, you said conditions were improving in certain parts of the Metroplex. Yeah, and the front's pretty much cleared the Metroplex, so that means that the severe threat's moving a little bit further to the east. Still looking at a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Rains County until 6:45. So we're going to go ahead and talk about that storm first. As you can see, it has continued to push its way off towards the east. Look at it, and as we're looking at just a little bit more, the hail threat there was for the potential of maybe hail up to the size of a $50, possibly winds gusting up to near 60 miles per hour. So again, until 6:45 for Rains County, that's where we do have that severe thunderstorm warning continuing. So right now the hail core looking like it's west and southwest of Emory, maybe hail up to the size of a ping pong ball. You see that hail core again to the southwest of Emory. So this storm is again, as we're looking at it, a little bit higher up into the atmosphere, still relatively strong, so that severe threat continue to push its way off towards the east a bit more. You notice that hail core coming down just a little bit more. From there, let's turn our attention a little bit further down to the south. Just want to let you know, down towards parts of Limestone County, this is where just to the west of Mejia, possibly seeing some rotation there from our first alert radar, seeing that shear marker showing up, so the potential there of maybe some rotation, possibly a tornado, but definitely dealing with a severe thunderstorm warning, possibly hail up to the size of a baseball. So a very large hail core just towards the west-northwest there of Mejia. Hail possibly up to the size of an egg. That one also moving off towards the east at about 30 to 35 miles per hour. So two different severe storms we're watching in parts of North Texas. The other story is the amount of rain that fell. We've been seeing social media reports of a lot of flooding through parts of Dallas County, because we did see over the past 3 hours as much as 2 to 3 inches of rain in some localized spots. So again, if you come along a road that's covered by water, just make sure that you don't drive through it. Now, the severe thunderstorm watch until 8 o'clock has been shaved off for parts of North Texas. Still parts of the Metroplex included in that, and then also down towards the south areas in yellow, that tornado watch also until 8. So first alert futurecast picking up on the potential of some more showers and strong storms as we go into the evening hours east of the 35 corridor. But also keep in mind we have some more rain on the way going into tomorrow morning with that wraparound effect. Slight risk of severe storms remaining as we go through the next few hours. Current conditions right now, we have temperatures that are sitting at 63 at DFW with a northerly wind at 25 gusting to 31. So we have seen that front clear the Metroplex. We will see 70 degrees for your Saturday. Rain chances 30% in the morning hours. On Sunday, the first alert 7-day forecast showing you sunny skies on the way. We're in the low upper 70s to the low 80s by next Wednesday and Thursday. Next chance of showers and storms by next Thursday and Friday, Nicole.
That's why you said make brunch plans for Sunday.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Scott, thank you.